This goal proves why Andres Iniesta is a genius. Iniesta receives the ball with his back facing the defender. As he controls the ball, he scans with his peripheral vision and sees a defender coming on his right and instantly feints to the right and turns to the left, leaving one defender behind. But now he sees another defender approaching to his right. He knows he can't beat him with speed, so he slows down to make him press him, and once he goes in for a tackle, he tips it past him as well. He sees a third defender approaching, but he notices that he already overcommitted, and he effortlessly drags the ball past his tackle. He takes advantage of the space and spots Neymar, but he has no clear options of attack, so he takes one extra touch to make the defender think he's going to attack him, and then cuts inside. He sees Neymar is now making a run in behind and passes it to his right foot, so Neymar can take one touch across the defender to beat him. The goalkeeper comes out, and Neymar dribbles around him before tipping it to the back of the net. What do you think? Is Andres Iniesta the best center mid of all time?